The year 2024. A journey filled with stories, laughter, and unforgettable memories. A time when every moment mattered, and every memory found its place in our hearts. In this recap, we are rewinding the best of 2024 moments, in which captured, edited, and brought to life through Filmora. Whether it was a milestone achieved, a bond strengthened, or just the little joys of everyday life. It's all here. Great creativity, memories. Because every click, cut, and transition tells a story worth remembering.